Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from July the 9th through July 15th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is I made my own stickers, and it's a movie. It's based on a classic movie again, Alfred Hitchcock's Strangers on a Train, starring Farley Granger, Ruth Roman, and Robert Walker. It's a really good suspenseful movie. So this is the paper that I've chosen to go with it because it's about basically two men who are wealthy, but the problems that come in when they meet on a train. So I think this goes really well. And then I'm just going to be using this Dollar Tree washi, and I think it complements it nicely. And then the only other thing I'm going to do is just use a regular ballpoint marker that is black, okay? So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad everybody loved the 4th of July theme that I did. I really liked it. Okay, and I've decided that I want this to be the dominant paper, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Okay, let's just put our paper down like we want it. I want to make sure that I get my little fleur-de-lis going the right way. But I wanted some paper that just looked rich and very masculine. There's some women, like I said, in the movie, but it's basically just about the problems that this man causes this other man. Okay, let's put our paper down. Oh, I really do like that. Okay, so let's put our washi down. Oh, that's giving just the feeling that I wanted. Oh, that looks really, really pretty. Okay, this first sticker that I made shows you exactly what my DVD looks like. It just says Strangers on a Train. And it was a double feature, and Cary Grant's in another one. So I'll put that up there like I always do. And then this one is, these are the two main characters. This guy is a really nice guy. He is a tennis player, and he meets this psycho on a train. Okay. I think I'll put this right about there. And they start talking about, because this guy that's the psycho realizes that this guy's this famous tennis player. And that he is trying to get a divorce, the tennis player is, from his wife so that he can marry the senator's daughter. And they just start talking, and this psycho says, because he really wants his father killed, and he's like, well, I'll kill your wife if you kill my father, we'll switch. And this tennis player thinks he's just teasing. Okay, and then this is the tennis player with his wife, because she's really not a nice person at all. And she's just using him for money, and he's telling her he wants a divorce. But she makes such a confrontation that it looks like he was really about to hurt her. Okay, then this is when the killer actually goes and kills the guy's wife. But he didn't, the tennis player doesn't realize he's going to do it. And then this is where the psycho is trying to basically follow this guy's wife at a carnival that they're at. Then after the psycho kills this guy's wife, this is a picture, he's starting to show up everywhere this tennis player is, and he's telling him, all right, I held up my end of the bargain, now you have to kill my father. And this guy has no intention of doing anything like that. So basically the whole movie is just comprised then of the psycho trying to show up everywhere that this guy is. And right here he's at a party, and he literally starts choking one of the senator's guests. And then he starts blackmailing him. So the tennis player ends up sneaking into this psycho's house and trying to get some help, but he can't get any because the guy finds him there. And then this is the tennis player at the senator's house with his girlfriend, and he's even there trying to blackmail. I mean, he's everywhere. He calls him there, which is what this is. And then finally, this is a lighter, and the tennis player left the lighter on the train, and the psycho gets it. So when he sees that he's not going to kill his father for him, he's decided he's going to frame the tennis player for his wife's murder. So he's going back to plan it, and that's what this is all about. They're on a merry-go-round where the psycho killed the tennis player's wife. and they're fighting because he's trying to get his lighter because he knows the police thinks he did it, that he killed his wife, but he didn't. And then this, I won't tell you how it ends, but this happens to be the cops at the very end, and I won't tell you who they think ended up killing his wife or who didn't. Okay, so now I just need to write a few things. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at it. But this is really a good movie. I didn't do it justice explaining. It's just a really good thriller, and you never know what that guy that's totally a psycho is going to do from one minute to the next. It kind of just leaves you like, wow. So here's my spread. I really do love it. I really like how the paper and the washi gives the effect of wealthy men battling. And then I love my stickers. They really turned out nicely. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.